Did you just purchase your brand new Toyota? And did you know that you have the Toyota app? I will show you how to go through all the details, how to use the remote start, how to use how to see the status of the tires, how to see the range of your vehicle, of the full consumption of your vehicle. You can go through all the details in the Toyota app. And don't worry, I got you. I will show you how to use all of them. My name is Marcos Borja. I'm Product Advisor at Downtown Toyota, Product Downtown Auto Group. And we'll go through all the details to show you how to use the new Toyota app. Okay guys, one thing that I want to let you know is that the Toyota app is been in the market, in the Canadian market since August 2019. And it will be only by selected models 2025. The reason that we created this, or Toyota created this Toyota app, is it is getting adapted to the new technology, that everything is about apps and everything is related to, for the customer feel more comfortable using your cell phone and have all the information there. For example, you can use the remote, the start engine, you can lock and unlock the doors. That happens very frequently, that you just left your car, you're in your office, you are at your place, and you say, did I close the door? You can also double check that with the app. And there's a couple of things that it is very useful also for safety, in the case that you need road assistance, or in the case that you want to see the location of your car. All of these things actually is in order to protect the customer, and also the customer protect his car in order to see like where it's located, if there's any issue with the car, and all of that. So I think that Toyota is doing well, and this is a very, very useful feature and very, very useful application that actually I don't have no complaints, and most of my customers are pretty happy, and they are doing well, and you can take the full advantage if you can use like everything properly. So actually right now we will do the entire process, the registration and everything to the app. I will go through the entire process with you guys, so you can actually see from the first step to the last step how everything works. We go from there. Let's go and check it. Okay guys, so one of the coolest features that we will have in the Toyota app is this one, the climate setting. Okay, you can just press here, you can save like the temperature that you want. For example, in this case 22 degrees. Everything has been saved, and we go to the remote start. Okay, we have here different options. In order to use, we need to press and hold. We press the push start button, so we just need to wait and give it a couple of seconds, and between 5 to 10 seconds the car will start. Right now it says complete. You will receive a notification, vehicle was started, and right now we have a time remaining of 20 minutes. There's a difference. A couple of cars you can find with 10 minutes, the remote start will work, and in other cars it's 20. In this one in particular, it will be 20 minutes. The reason why it's so important, this app and this feature about the remote start, is because, for example, right now in this crazy weather that is very, very cold, instead of you go to the car and everything is cold and you need to warm up inside, you need to turn the AC like the full. This way you can just go to the car, and the car will be nice and warm, so you don't need to worry about like be there and just start freezing sitting there. Basically the car will already be like with a good temperature and ready to go. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna prove that the car is on. It says that it's on, so let's gonna check it. So like you see in the interior, you can realize that the car is on, so that's a good thing. Right now we can go inside and take a look. Yeah, it is nice and warm. Once that you already download the Toyota app, you need to attach the bank number to your cell phone and with the app. In this case, we are doing with the BZ XLE all-wheel drive. Here will show you the bank number. Here also you have the option if you want to put a nickname to your car. In this case, we only put like BZ. You can choose your preferred service dealer. In this case, we will choose Downtown Toyota. Here you will see like Safety Connect, 5 years minimum, Service Connect, 5 years minimum, Drive Connect, 3 years trail, Remote Connect, 3 years go down. We can put activate vehicle. Then we need to accept all the terms and conditions for the Toyota app, and we are all set. Okay, once that we press done, we can see like a couple of options here. We can do the remote start engine, lock the door, unlock the door. We can do lock hatch, unlock hatch, lights, buzzer, and hazard. You can do everything here. When you do the remote start, you can also custom temperature that you're looking for, and also in this case of these electric cars, it's very important. You can also schedule when you want to warm up the car in order to have like everything good. In this case, we are with 288 kilometers because we are in winter. Right now it's -8, and we have 92% of charge. Here in the status also you can see if there's any doors locked or unlocked, if there's any window open or closed. In this case, everything is closed. Also the hatch, the back door. Here in health, in the case that you have like safety recalls, any service campaign, vehicles alert, maintenance schedules, you can do everything here. Here in service, you can go and see like if you want to book an appointment with service, you just need to press there. It will show you a number. You can just call and book an appointment. Here in pay, in the case that you want to pay any of the subscription that we have with Toyota. Here in shop, you can manage all the subscription. and here in Find you will see like basically where is the location of the car. In this case also we have like the stations, for example to recharge the car. We have also Find a dealer closer or destination if you want to go to any place that you want to go. And here we also see our current location, that here we are outside downtown Toyota, so that's why it shows like that we are here. Basically this is pretty straightforward, pretty simple. There's a couple of extra features that we will go through all the details later. One thing that I want to say as well is that right now in 2026, most of all the cars, because all of them are push start button, all of them have like the remote start. Also, most of them have the climate settings, but not all the trims. So you need to be aware and just consult your salesperson. Also, I highly recommend it to download the Toyota app and use with your car, because for any reason you can also have like 24/7 assistance in the case that you need something related to your app, something related to your car, or in the worst case scenario that you are in a very dangerous situation that you need assistance. Someone from Toyota will receive your phone call and they direct the phone call to a real emergency, or someone that can give you like Toyota support in terms of the app or in terms of your car.